If you want to permanently delete your Discord account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Make sure you are ready to lose all your data associated with the account before proceeding. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon user settings at the bottom left corner of the screen next to your username. Click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to My Account. In the user settings menu, find and select the My Account tab. This section contains all the information related to your Discord account. Step 4. Initiate account deletion. Scroll down to the bottom of the My Account section. You will see an option labeled Delete Account. Click on this option to start the account deletion process. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Discord will ask you to confirm your decision to delete your account. Follow the prompt, which may include entering your password and verifying your identity to finalize the deletion. Once you have completed these steps, your Discord account will be permanently deleted. Remember, this action cannot be undone, and all your data will be lost.